Hi guys, welcome back. So I just got home, I changed, and I noticed that my package from TikTok has been delivered. So I'm so excited. Let's unbox this together. So it's been a while that I ordered from TikTok. So I thought, why not give this a try? It's been on my feed for so long. So it is the Tymo wave curling iron. So it's the compact one. So exciting. I've seen this so much on my feed, so I thought why not just try it. It comes in two sizes, I believe, 1.25 and the 1 inch. So I got the 1 inch. It's so cute. The color is so cute. It's pink. It says off. There's a button inside if you want to turn it on. It's long press. So now I can see it's working. I don't know if you can see. So let's try. Did you hear the beep? Ooh. I already have heat protectant on my hair, so don't worry. So you can adjust the setting of the heat temperature. So let's, oh, I like this. It's so quick. I love the beep because I don't have to worry about, time, like mentally counting, which is so cool. Do I like this? First impression, yes, I do. So this is so cool. I did my hair and it's so quick. I didn't put it on the highest setting. And this is what it looks like. I love it. So far, I'm super happy with this purchase. And yeah, thank you for you, Paige, for recommending this Tymo wave curling iron. So yeah, what else can I say? I'm so happy. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.